Guys, and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn cell and mid and find function and length as well, leen function as well. So basically cell, no, we can using cell function we can get so many options like address, column number, colors, content, everything. In this cell function I'm getting only file name. So using this cell I can get the file name exactly, where it is located, what is the path exactly, including workbook name and sheet name, including this sheet name and workbook name as well. So this is what the cell function. To pick only the path excluding the workbook and worksheet name. So how we can use? So use this, we can use mid function here using mid, and we can do that one. So this is what cell. Again, this is my criteria, because I have to specify the text, right? In this text I'll get to know exactly this area. This complete data I'll get here. So in this, what I have to give? Starting number. What is my starting number here? So this is my first onwards, right? I can give 1 here. So on how many number of characters you want? To number of character we don't know exactly how many characters are included. You can use, this is bracket, open bracket is there, no, till there we can use. So to do that we can use find option here. Find, no, it will look the character what exactly you are looking for. So this symbol I am expecting within text. Where is the text here? Again, give the cell function, give the file name, within this text it will look. Okay, you can end up this -1 if you have to do. Why? The reason why minus means I don't want this symbol has to become. Before that only I have to get the data. So use that. So here we'll go. So we got the exactly the folder path, right? Now in same pattern, using find mid function we can get the workbook name as well. For to do this I have already wrote the formulas here. So I'll explain you how we can get the data. So same pattern, guys, here also mid and cell. This is text of file name. What is my starting number? This is my starting number. Basically it has to get this sample.xl has to be get. So using cell +1, because after this, no, sample s onwards, right? So that's the reason I'm specifying the number of character here. Okay, starting number. Again, to do this, how many number of character? We don't know exactly how many number of characters involved in this. So to do this dynamic, so I have used both combination of finding. Finding means first I'll find the end bracket here. Okay, again in that I'll do minus, like open bracket. So basically what this will do, this will give exactly the number of length items. So if you do F9, you'll get exactly the number of line items here, right? So here we got, okay, length as I told, right? You can check here. See, we got 11 number of text is involved. So same pattern, how we can pick the worksheet name? So for to do this, I have already did formula here. I'll explain you how it will then to save the timing. Okay. Again same pattern, guys. Mid using cell file name, then finding the open bracket here. Again file name plus here number of character. How you are specifying the number of characters here? That's logic here. So basically sheet name, I don't think so more than 10 characters people will keep the name here. Just assume you can keep how many 10 plus numbers. You can keep 20 also, how many, whatever the numbers is reflecting, it will give the exact number here, right? Right. See, got here. This is what the sheet name. If you give 10 also, it will come. This number of characters, guys. That's it, nothing else. So you can give randomly 100 also, nothing will happen. So that's about the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do hit like, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.